Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create an account in Discord. To get started, make sure you have installed Discord on your device. Once it's done, open Discord. Now, click on register option. Now here, add your mobile number, then click on next. Confirm it, and now rearrange the picture. You will be asked for a verification code, so you will get your verification code on the number you added. Now add a verification code and confirm it. Here, add a strong password and click on next button. Add your birth date. Now press create an account option. Once you press on that button, you can add a profile, but I'll skip it for now. If you want to add it, you can. Now add your name and click on next. You're all set to go now. So that is how easily you can create an account in Discord.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.